system now checks the line ahead to make sure it is clear. If it is clear, you can then move the lever again to power the track. As the track is powered, the train moves. The lights on the map above show its progress. Well done. You've received a train onto the eastbound platform and completed the first task.
Nope. Oh, it's locked.
Looks like the track isn't clear. Oh, I see the problem. There's already a train at the location. You'll need to move it out of the way first.
Okay. So that means we need to... Come on, tell me what to do then.
From EP1 to EA, maybe you can...
Yeah, but... It's
I don't know. Sorry.
Oh. There we go. EP1. Oh, so we have to move that back.
Yeah, E3.
Yep. Otherwise the levers will lock. There we go.
Okay.
So that's gone. To...
So these are the crossroads where they could change stuff. They're the tunnels that would link.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Right, so when we saw little tunnels going off, they were linking to another track, weren't they?
Right, we'll be hand checking now, so get that train into the eastbound platform.
Okay, so now we can receive the train onto EP1. There we go. Alright, move that back.
The train at the end of the eastbound platform is now empty, and we won't need it again today. Send it to the siding.
Okay, pull that one down, pull it down. Yeah, down, pull it, pull it. Down, harder.
Harder.
Yeah, there you go.
Look, you've made the train move. Well done. Now you've parked it. Well done. Okay.
Excellent work. You've completed all three tasks. I think you're ready to be a line controller.